plaster is applied, the tiny gypsum crystals must permeate the paper to make a strong and lasting bond. Complete coverage and close fitting is important, as around this light switch. He carefully scores the paper around the opening, scores it, and taps out the core. A perfect fit and easy to plaster over. Unusual jobs like this are quickly done. And what is for such a job? Scrap pieces like this always find their logical niche. This one came from the ceiling. The curve is scored on the back, then on the front face. A master craftsman and a perfect arch.